You're doing it and I'm doing it. Okay, sorry. It's your show.
And it's on video now.
Okay, go.
Mommy, could you delete that?
No, this is funny.
No, don't.
Okay, it's deleted.
Okay, fine.
Action.
Hey everyone, we're at Kids Island. We're with the goats now. We're gonna feed them, and I don't want to go in there.
And what I'm gonna do now?
Feed them, but I don't want to go in.
Why not?
They jumped on me, and I panicked.
So I'll go get some food.
Where are they?
Where are they? Oh. Okay. I think they're resting. Okay, give some to Daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Just come on in first. Yeah, patience good.
Here. Why don't those goats get fed? Oh no, guys!
Oh, who's coming here?
There he is.
Slowly. Give some to Daddy.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Okay, we're live. We're on video.
Hey!
Can I get out of here?
Hey! Here.
Give this. Yeah.
God, you guys are little pigs. Hmm?
Good
Can I get
job.
out of here?
Give him some. Give him some.
I did!
One more.
Sit.
There you go.
Sit.
It's not Alexia or Gucci,
Alexia
Daddy.
doesn't even sit.
Where's the smaller one?
Oh, my kitty.
He knows I have no food, so they don't come to me. They know I don't have any food.
Can I put it in my pocket?
Is here the baby one? No, they're gonna take it
No,
from your
no.
pocket. Come here. They're gonna smell it. Come on.
Come there.
We come from here. We live from here. Come on. Look, he's calling everyone. This one. Look. Oh. Go with JR. Yay.
Hey! How are you, my friend?
Oh, yes, the small one. Good job. He wants more. Give one. Give one more, JR.
Okay, done.
Hey, little guy.
It's over! It's over! Help!
You need backup? Assistance? Assistance?
Okay, give the smaller one.
Here. No, you're such a bully, you.
The white ones are...
Who's the bully one?
This white one.
The white one? Oh, this one, the baby
Come
one.
here, you.
It's too late.
Hey, good boy. Girl. Ah.
Oh my God, that's this white one or a
Yeah.
bully. Those two.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, guys.
Where are we, JR?
Boy's in trouble.
Where are we?
Assistance. Okay?
Say something, JR. I said say something.
I did! I did say something! And I said help!
This is a vlog.
This is a vlog.
Help!
You gotta remain focused.
Yeah.
Okay? We're,
You're doing good. Oh, don't go there. That's too tight in there. Come here.
our host is a little bit distracted.
Yes.
Okay, I got a couple here for this one here at the top.
Give the one at the mountain. Give the mountain goat.
So you can show this to your grandma.
There you go.
JR.
Okay?
Ow!
Okay, go give more to Daddy.
Alright, so
So he can distract the big ones.
Daddy!
Give it to Daddy. There you go.
I gave you most of it. Ah! Ow! Take it out! Take it,
Take
you
it out.
bullies! Take it! Ow! That's it!
Here you.
They're the one behind you.
I gave him one.
Oh, this one, yes.
I don't have any more, you white bully.
Sa bully this too.
I don't have any here.
Okay, now they're gone. So, feed them nice.
You put that on? Oh my.
Okay,
Feed that one.
over and out.
Okay, so
I didn't feed that one.
JR, say over and out.
Wait, I want to feed that one.
Who?
But the white one keeps falling. Daddy, I see something.
Adventures with the Goat at Kids Island, Antibes,
Okay.
2019. Have a great day, everyone. Please
Okay,
subscribe,
Jess.
like us. From the Browns, over and out.
JR.
And remember to help me.
Okay. Say over and out.